What is up, everybody? Today we're going to be taking a look at this right here. See that? Potensic A22. It's one of those little caged mini drones. You know, it has altitude hold, headless, 3 rates, does the flips and all that stuff. All that good, fun stuff, right? And we want to thank the people over at Potensic for sending this out so we could check it. All right, guys, let me get it out of the box and we'll indeed check it out. All right, we're out of the box, and it's the usual suspects. Okay, you got your batteries, you got your charger, and you got the quadcopter itself, which looks pretty cool. And I will tell you, it's very light, so you might get some good flight time out of this thing, because this thing is, they've really made these little guard things very thin. So, you know, that takes a lot of the weight off of it. So, yeah, all right. Here's the transmitter, and it's got your normal stuff on there, your flips and rates and all that good stuff. I don't know what that's for. Oh, I know what those little, they must have used this controller for a phone holder or some other model. Here's the on and off button here. So, yeah. Let's get the battery in there, or let's check the battery. They are kind of small. Oh, they're 240s, which I thought they were actually smaller than that. No. They're 240s, 3.7s. Here's the battery hatch here in the back, in the bottom. See, it has a little clip right here. You just push in on the clip and it pops right open. So there is no screw. The dastardly screw is non-existent. And just, you hear that little snap? Okay, so that just snaps right like that. There's a little light on the front of it right there. See that? Wow, really looks neat. I really love these little ones. I do a lot of these now. Anyway, they give you these little thing of stickers in there for the kids. You can put it on the books, yeah, or the book bag or whatever. Hell, I don't even know if kids have book bags anymore. And then they give you a manual, but you know, I mean, come on, it's not that complicated. Trust me. So let's flip this around and let's just fly it in here. See what happens, because this is an indoor type deal here. Okay. Indeedy, that looks close. Okay, so let's see how we turn it on here. Is there a button in the back? Yeah, right there. Oh, the power button's on the other side of the light. There's the light. Then there's the power button right there. And the transmitter takes two AAA batteries. They go in the back there, but you got to take that screw. I put the screw back already. So let's turn this on. See it flashing. Okay, so it's bound up. Okay, I just wasn't sure how to take off. You just hold this button in right here, and then it'll take off after a few seconds. It just doesn't do it immediately. That's why when I hit it the first time, you know, I didn't know what was happening. Wow, look how tight those flips are. Holy cow. Okay, and now this button here, I'll bring it down a little bit. Right here, that flashes those lights that are on the top. See, it'll make them flash. And they're green other than that. Wow, this thing's really fast. Okay, so then you press this stick in, and it's going to give you the spinorama. Hold on. Watch. So I press that in. See that? And then the right one is the flips. Okay, so yeah, great stuff. Here's the rates up here, the top left. Okay, so the first rate is kind of slow. Let's check the second rate out. Yeah, I'd say the second rate is good for in the house. Say the first rate is a little bit for beginners maybe. But yeah, the second rate's perfect for inside. Yeah, great stuff, man. Great stuff. Now let's see if that same button will land it. Yes, it does. Okay. Yeah, you just have to hold the button in a little bit. It just doesn't do it instantly. You have to hold the button in for a little couple seconds, and it'll go up or go down, whatever. Yeah, great stuff, man. Let's go see if it'll fly outside. See if it can handle any wind. Hey guys, we're out here with the Potensic A22, and we just want to try to fly it outside for a little bit. I mean, we know this is a little indoor quad, but you know, I can't resist. I can't resist bringing it out here to give it a shot. I can't resist it. Okay, so there's the third rate going. Woo, woo. Oh yeah. Hee-haw. Look at it. Wow. Real nice. So as long as it's not windy, and now today we're having like little intermittent winds there, and as long as you keep the rate up, there's that light button for the lights. See them? They'll start flashing when you hit that one. Yeah, it's pretty stable too, you know. It's not wandering around too much or anything. Wow. Let's try the second rate. The second rate is what you want for in the house. I wasn't, that third rate's a little twitchy. The second rate's even good out here, actually. It's just not as quick. It's just not bouncing around as much. So, yeah, look at it. Wow. There's a flip. Put the third rate back on. It's another flip. Oh yeah, in the third rate, this thing's very snappy. You can see that, man. Look at it. I'll put the flight time in there. But yeah, Potensic, thanks for sending this out. This is a great little living room deal here. You can sit on the couch and watch a football game and go fly this next to your old lady when she's making a turkey. Wow, yeah. Nice, real nice. Very agile too, man. I mean, this thing turns on a dime. Look at that. It's almost like an FPV flyer. Wow. Pretty quick. I'm impressed with it. Still flipping. Means the battery's still good. All right, so we see that it flies great. Oh, them lights actually are, that button here where it makes the lights flash, that's actually the headless mode too. Okay, so it does both. Turns on the lights and then turns on the headless mode. So, just so you know that. It's not just about the light show, it's about that also. So. Then there's that button there, you hold that one and it makes it do that little course thing. So I had to turn that off because I didn't know how close it was gonna. It just goes in this little rotational thing there, but it's not real fast. It goes, you know, slowly works its way around. That's if you press that button there in. So let's check the rates here again, or the flips. Okay, it's still working. So the battery's still cooking. I forgot what the size of the battery was in there, but I think it was, what, a 350 or something? Maybe less? I mean, the thing doesn't weigh anything, right? And they really made the cage, you know, them little cages they build on there. It's really super thin material, so it to keep the weight down, so they did a real good job with that. All right, so the flight time is looking pretty good here. It's starting to flash now, but you see the light flashing. So I'm thinking that was at least 5 minutes. I mean, that's what it seemed like. So yeah, great. Nope, the flips aren't working, so that means it's dying out. Okay, just grabbed it out of the air. No big deal. All right, guys, there you go. Wow, A22 Potensic. Thanks, man. Great little bird here. Wow, loving this. All right, guys. Have a nice day.